Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a blue frog. So here you can see that I'm using my blue pen to draw the frog. Now I'm using my cyan pen to draw its eyes. Now I can continue with my blue pen. Here's its front leg. I'm using the same blue colored pen to do some coloring. Here's another leg, or you can call it its hand. Here's its leg. And this is another one. Now I'm using my orange pen inside its eyes. Now I'm using my black pen. I'm using my cyan pencil inside its eyes. Wow, my drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.